Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line down there is coming from. But another very nice day today, so some updates here need to be done. First, going to do is just use this green line for near-term levels of annotations. Yeah, down here still does pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So like I said, for that reason, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up and use it for a near-term level. And what I would call the ideal level and newest level of support right there at 235. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best, strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 235. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 235, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 235 would be great. But as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance headed into Thursday? As of right now, on a couple different occasions, the price tried to get up there through the 248-ish mark, 249. So, or you can just round it up to the nice round number of 250 there. So that's going to be the nearest term level of resistance, and that actually makes pretty good sense. Even right here, you can see that there's some track record of it also getting rejected from there. If the price can push through that 248 to 250 mark, whatever you want to call it, that range, next key overarching level of resistance right up there around the 260 mark. So all in all, though, at the end of the day, resistance levels don't matter. And I say that because what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. So as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that right there is the name of the game. So overall, great looking chart, and as long as the price keeps on chipping away at things, everything else will continue to take care of itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.